Hey everyone, so do you want that baby glowing skin without wrinkles and without fine lines? Now the thing is that wrinkles might not just come out really pronounced, but before you close your eyes and open it, you're going to see that your face is going to begin to draw some line, and that's basically what we are going to be preventing. Okay, so it is actually better you prevent it than waiting for it to come and be like, oh no, I don't have wrinkles now. Why not prevent it? You have that baby glow skin, yeah, in no time. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a subscriber, thank you for staying put. I'm gonna be walking you through into the video, but subscribe, share the video, and give me a like. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so for that baby soft, glowing, and a wrinkle-free skin, we're going to be needing to use orange. And orange is a great remedy because it contains vitamin C, which helps so much to glow and polish up the skin. So using vitamin C on the skin will help so much to leave the skin rejuvenated. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be needing the juice of this orange, and then we're going to be squeezing the juice in here. Alright, so this quantity of orange juice is perfect. Then also we're going to be making use of tomato. Okay guys, so tomato is a great lightening property which helps so much to leave the skin glowing and youthful, guys. So to get that glowing and baby wrinkle skin, you have to try tomato. So what I'm going to do now is that I'll be needing the tomato paste. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be cutting the tomato in pieces so that we can assist our blender blend this really good. Okay, so alright guys, so this is the tomato. It is properly blended, and now we'll have to be putting it into another bowl. This is how it is. You have to make sure that your tomato is properly blended. Let it be very smooth. And then also we're going to be making use of cucumber. Now cucumber is a great mix, a great remedy, and it is a wrinkle killer, fine lines remover, and it gives you that baby skin. So what I'm going to do is that I'll be needing just a piece of the cucumber, and then I would have to cut it in pieces also, so that it can enable my blender blend it really well. Okay guys, so now I would have to be putting the cucumber into a blender, and then now it would have been much more better for me to have just create it, since I'll be needing just the juice of this cucumber. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sip it out so I can get the juice out of it. So I'll just be pressing it this way so that my juice can come out. And then this, we have the juice. Okay, so we have the orange juice, the tomato, and the watermelon. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of the tomato into the orange juice, and then we'll mix it and mix it up really good. And then also we'll be putting in 2 tablespoons of the watermelon juice. Now you can even put more than that if you want, but for me I just need the 2 tablespoons of that because I'm going to be using it on my face. So that is done, guys. We're going to be needing rose water and glycerin. Now rose water and glycerin are very powerful ingredients that helps to calm the redness of the skin, because you need your skin to glow. So you do not need your skin to appear red and with some rashes. So I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon or a half tablespoon, anyone you can get, yeah. And then we mix it up. And then the last ingredient, which I'm actually running out of, is Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now Fuller's Earth is a great remedy that sucks the excessive oil out of the skin and then makes the skin look glowing and beautiful. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting the remnant of this Fuller's Earth, which is about half of a tablespoon, and then we would be mixing it up. Yeah, Fuller's Earth is also called Multani Meaty. It helps so much for a wrinkled skin and for an aging skin. So this is it. Now let's go apply this to get that young, glowing and a more beautiful looking skin. Okay guys, so for that baby glow and a more soft skin, this is the ingredients for you guys. This is how it is. Yeah, it's actually a little the consistency kind of watery, but it shouldn't be thick because you need it to be spread all over your face. Okay, so what you do first is to dab your face, which I am going to be doing right now. Okay, so when I'm done doing that, I'll then have to mix the ingredients again because I left it for about 10 minutes, okay, to inside the refrigerator so it can get cold and chilled. Yeah, so when I apply it on my face, it's gonna be so chilling. Okay, so what I do now is that I'm going to be taking this and then I'm going to be applying it onto my skin, just like this. Okay, so for that baby glow skin, use this. Trust me, when you use it every day, because it's something that you can actually use every day, or use it every day, you're gonna love it. At first, when you use it, you have to just walk your hand through your face as if you're massaging. Of course, you are massaging now. Okay, or you don't do it this way. Now doing it this way is going to help to wake up the skin, and it's going to help for this ingredient to actually get into your skin really good. Yeah, and again you do that. Okay, you apply again. After you've applied it like this, then you then leave it for it to dry. Yeah. dab it in, let it dry. Yeah, okay, when that's finished drying, then you can actually wash it, or you can just use your hand to rub it like that. You're gonna see that it's gonna be falling off little by little, and all of those pigmented um, skin and all of those problems on your skin, it's equally going to be falling off with it, because this is going to give you that baby glow skin. Yeah, if you can actually apply this, repeat it at most 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week, but of course be consistent in it, you're going to see your skin really glow and polish really well. It's actually very simple and easy, and you just scrub everything out and you have that glow in no time. Okay, and it's actually very easy to make. You can store it, okay, and you can reuse it, just like I've told you in the video how often you're going to be using it. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and I will catch you again. Bye guys.